Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming. Today we're having a very bad day. So I just had the Volvo in the morning, now we go to Scania. Okay.
Do you want to know how you get out of here?
To get out of here.
You're going back on a straight over road.
It's just because no man, it's nearly impossible to reverse this one in. I don't know how you done it. What is this cowboy looking?
We always watch you.
Right. This is the worst area ever. The worst round.
Cheers.
The most stupid people, they don't let you, they don't. A red traffic light and he's speeding like a motherfucker. I don't understand these stupid idiots. Did you see him?
Seen it all before.
Slam it. Yeah, that's it, man.
Can't always slam it.
You have to slam it like a gladiator.
Can't always slam it.
Like, ow, ow, ow. This is Sparta.
You're gonna be out all day.
You don't have to. You just. Where's the bin?
Far back.
How many?
This one.
Container. Left here, yeah? Or I might.
Gonna cross on.
Yeah.
Straight on.
Next right. Trying to find it. Take the next right. Here.
Yep.
Thank you. What is this doing? Hey, why you have to go on my right side? Anyway, it's no space. Have a very, very nice day. Very, very nice day.
Where you going?
We got this lovely area surrounding by these lovely people. Yeah, all you can wish in this life. Oh yeah, yeah, la fiesta. So the bin is there. So the bin is there. We gonna take the bin out. We gonna take the bin out. We gonna take the bin out. Here is like you're in a different country, you see. Hatzola. That's for the Jewish community. So, I don't know. They just put their own name there. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. La la la.
Right, we're gonna go left.
They got their own ambulance,
Yeah.
their own writing, this kind, their own alphabet.
Pretty much.
With this lorry, it's gonna take me the whole day, man. Yeah, I think in Jewish is Todach Rabach for thank you. I think so. Oh yeah. Let's see how we're gonna take out this tiny dinosaur. Let's see. I've tried to explain to him, look mate, the place itself is awkward, tiny. This Scania takes loads of space to turn it around. He told me straight away, look, would you reverse in? But as you can see, the place itself is tight, and to get the vehicle there is just a nightmare. He just looked that side. I told him, mate, take that plastic off and then put it back again, you know, so I can take the turn. No, leave it there. Not allowed to take it out. I say, mate, he's not allowed to take it. I'm not trying to be funny, just take it out so I can reverse and then you put it back again. Instead of smashing a building or a car or someone, or you know. You never know with these vehicles. It just, if you lose control for a second, they become so dangerous, you know. So it was impossible to reverse from the other side, huh?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Straight over.
Stop filmări. Ra 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 ra. Look at that, bro. I went out with the toilet roll on the back of the vehicle. Better that I didn't get out of the lorry at the time. Yeah. Hop. Ce are mă aici? Hop. Și apăsăm pe buton, după cum vedeți. Asta n-are bară de aia. Așa, l-a vărsat. Dar mai am tendința să-i fac bam bam. Bam bam. La care îi dau reciclare. La asta trebuie să apăs, să-i fac manuală chestia. Bam 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 bam. No? No, because they're pricks, that's why. Cheers, man. You blocked the way, that's why. You didn't let me to go out, but you blocked the way. Congratulations. Yeah. Wow, what kind of people, man? Look. Instead of letting him to go, we just block him there, and then they just decide to go through instead of letting him go. Nearly forgot. This one, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. When it comes to steering, it's not the best one. Clear?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Next left.
Not here, no?
No.
Wow. Mommy. Mamma mia. Ooh. Yes. As soon as I get home, I think I'll just throw myself in the bed and that's it.
Yeah.
Job done. Okay. Thank you.
Take the next right.
Here, yeah?
Yeah. Straight down.
Boom, 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 boom. X-ray on.
Yeah. Sit right here. Here.
There are two bins over there.
Yeah.
Ready to go.